no buildings built like this. Pretty important buildings. They're all lit up and they stand out. How cute is that? Mama and her 3 little babies. You notice their tails are short? They're born that way. I don't know why. Inbreeding something. Oh, he's gonna go for a ride on a motorcycle. Don't you love it? That's what I love about Asia. Beautiful day. A terrible, excuse me, a Terabonza. Local stores. This is actually Little India, but something tells me it's really Little China. It's got a lot of Chinese identity here. I just love these. So I'm at this bus station, which is also at the place where the ferry used to depart and go to Butterworth. But they brought in a different ferry, and I've been on it, and it was a different location. So I'm not sure if I'm at the right one or not. This just might be the bus station. I'll check it out. Okay, so it only works as a bus terminal and not a ferry terminal. Pretty sad now it's just gonna sit there and what? A museum one day. So let's go up to the next one. Now I think this is where we're gonna get on the boat. I didn't expect this view when I walked in here. Oh, look at that, feed the kitties. I thought I was going to come in here and get some information. Nice little surprise. Excuse me. Can, the ferry boat?
Ferry?
Yeah, where do I get on?
Ferry outside.
To Butterworth. Not that way.
Itu turun ngajut lagi taruh sini.
Okay, so that's the ferry that goes from here to Butterworth.
Yeah. Come.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
that's
go
the
there.
boat there, just coming in.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Mm.
very good.
Okay.
That's so beautiful. Nice view. Oh, check that out. So I just have to go up that way. I see the boat just coming in. Pretty nice. So we just have to keep going up this way. And silly me, I should have seen it. But that's all right. I got to go in that building. It was pretty nice. Nice view. Okay, the first stop was a no, just a bus terminal. The second one, a no. This is the correct one. This is where you get on a ferry from Georgetown to Butterworth. So let's see. So I would say this is the terminal. Apparently I was going the wrong way. So after checking in, temperature check, you go up and the air conditioning feels wonderful. And we're gonna wait here. That's the boat. See, it doesn't take cars and motorcycles anymore, just passengers. That one's been sitting docking for a while. So, yep, be on that soon. So now we're going to be boarding the new ferry, which only takes 10 minutes. And I didn't wait there long, 15 at max. And we are off to Butterworth. Now we have arrived at Butterworth, all about 10-minute ride. But this ferry, I hate to say it, it reeks of petrol fuel. So you have to wear your mask just for the petrol fuel smell. But here we are. And up the hill. And keep going. You're definitely going to get a bit of exercise on this little travel. And that's okay, because that's exactly what I need. Nice people waiting to go on. I don't know how that works. And up. And keep going. where you get on or off the buses. The next step. And we are in. And who's the first guy we meet? Mr. Sanders. And I think I gotta go upstairs for the ticket. Nope, all the way back there. So let's go back this way. So apparently I gotta get the police permission and then come back and then I can buy a ticket, a bus ticket to KL. But at least I got the information. I got it for the day. She said maximum price 40. So I asked, what is minimum price? She said 36. I wondered what that 36 entails. But I guess I gotta go and get a police station. I'm gonna get me one of those. A police pass. You know, something like, oh, please may I go from point A to point B. Look at the goods. It just attracted me right away. And that's the last thing I need. 10 ringgit for 4 pieces. And then there's these goods. Hi. Nothing with hot dogs. I think I'm gonna get me that one right there. Right there. So back over on the ferry, and we'll have to make this trip again tomorrow as soon as I get the okay from the big boys. So I'm back in Georgetown and I'm going to the local police station to see if I can get the pass. And I just wanted to show you this place. It's so pretty. Check that out. Nice painting. So pretty. The next place I go to is going to be a little bit like this. Oh, maybe a little bit more. Just looking at you. Gonna miss Georgetown. Spent a little over 1 year here in Malaysia. A lot of it here in Georgetown. Love the wall art. Okay, so I'm outside the police station. Now I'm gonna go in and See if I can get my pass. So I got my pass for the 28th. So tomorrow I can go back over on the ferry and get my bus ticket to make sure that I'm secure. They have been fixing up a lot of these back streets. Just so pretty. The umbrellas. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that, it's pretty. A courtyard, small one. In Georgetown. And we are right here at Butterworth. I came and I got my bus ticket to KL. So waiting on the ferry to go to Penang. And I've been all around here, Butterfringy. I never went to Monkey Beach. I come all the way down here. Seen all this. Down by the airport. Snake Temple. All up here. Yeah, been all over the island. Botanical Gardens. Nang Hill. Gonna miss it. I don't like wearing masks. But as you can see, I'm on this ferry. Coming back from Butterworth. And I don't like wearing a mask. I'm not anti-mask. I just like my oxygen. But on this boat, the petrol fumes are so strong, you have to wear a mask just because of the fumes.